We work in
Amazing.
the villages, up in Leesburg, Florida, the villages, big growing company. They build homes. I think they're building 2,000 homes a year, and they say they got enough to go for the next 25 years.
Wow.
So we do a lot of lanais in people's garages, and we put the cassettes in the ceilings for the lanais, and yeah, you can see what a cassette looks like. This would be flush in your ceiling, and these are our wall mounts.
Very, very nice. Now, even though you primarily install ACIQ, you do install other brands.
We would. We
Excellent.
prefer ACIQ. We really like the units.
Good value.
But yes, very much for your money. Excellent. If I was going to put brand new air conditioning in my entire house, I would use ACIQ. Some people say they want to use a Mitsubishi. You're getting no better quality with Mitsubishi than you are ACIQ.
Awesome. One last question. I know you service Central Florida,
Correct.
primarily the villages, but you also go into Orlando, Winter Garden, Winter Haven, and Sanford.
Sanford, yeah.
So all of
Orlando,
Orange, Seminole
Daytona.
County, a little bit of Volusia County as well.
Yeah.
Any specials right now you want to make an announcement on? Any first-time caller, any service call discounts, any specials you can think of?
We would give a discount on any first-time callers from this video that calls us. We would take 3% off right off the gate like that for you. We price
Awesome.
it, and we also offer military discounts.
Okay, very, very nice. Senior citizens too?
Yes, senior citizens for sure.
Excellent. And thank you to our first responders and the military. We thank all of you guys for your service.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Dallas, for this amazing install today. I know that these homeowners are going to be really, really happy. Now, you also offer maintenance plans, I heard?
Yes, we're working on maintenance plans where we could also give you a lifetime warranty for a maintenance plan where we would come in at maybe $35, $40 a month for life.
Amazing.
You would never have to worry about a thing.
Amazing. Perfect. 'Cause I do something almost identical to that. So at Pipe Doctor Home Services, we're based in Long Island, New York, Charleston, South Carolina, and Palm Beach, Florida. We used to be in Central Florida, but we're going to refer all of that air conditioning work. And if you know a good plumber, I get a lot of plumbing referrals. I give you a lot of work. But if you live in the Long Island, New York City metropolitan area and you install an ACIQ product from Pipe Doctor Home Services for $34 a month, we give you the bumper-to-bumper unconditional warranty. Covers parts and labor with one exception, and gives you 2 annual visits where we do basically a wellness check on the system. $34 a month, a lifetime warranty on parts and labor, and we come twice a year to further make sure that your investment will last for years to come. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. If you smash that thumbs up button, check out the Kings of Mini Splits in Central Florida. There'll be links down in the description box down below for their Instagram, their YouTube, TikTok, all those other social media platforms. But they give them a huge round of applause because they did a phenomenal job here. But as much as the good of the equipment is, it's the contractor that puts them in that really makes that equipment shine.
I don't know.
Oh my God. So I'm telling the guys about ways and tools to make your job easier. So I'm telling Dallas and Tyler and Juan and Jesus about the Navic automatic flaring tool. And I show it to you on True Tech Tools. I tell you about the promo code Know-It-All. You get 7% off, and it's not me. It's another YouTube creator, Mr. Know-It-All. That's his promo code. So Jesus brings this thing out. Just look at this for a second. So here is this, it's called Superstars, right? Flaring tool. So I grabbed the first one out of it, and it's a nice solid piece, right? But I'm trying to open it, and it's hard, right? It's heavy, right? And you got to put the pipe in there, 1/2 inch, and then you got to close it, and then you got to, hold on, and then you got to spin it on to this thing, the STE 800. I guess you lock it into there, and then you turn it on. But I'm looking at this power adapter thingy. What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? Hold on. Did you steal this from Europe? Did Europe let you know? Did the EU let you know that you had this?
Heck no, man. That's just what I got.
Where'd you get it from? Jesus, huh? Oh my God. You know what? You can teach an old, well, you can't, as an old saying goes, you can't teach an old dog new tricks, but they even give you like this little flaring, deburring tool.
Yours didn't come with that.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. But you know what? I'm going to talk to my boy Kevin over at ACIQ. He's going to have to hook you up.
Okay.
Because this is like This is, come on. You're dealer of the month.
Oh
my God, I am spending their money right now. I am spending their money. Penny, as the first ACIQ dealer of the month, they're gonna send you a Navic automatic flaring tool. Or if Kevin actually decides to build one of his own, an ACIQ automatic flaring tool.
That'll work.
That works. I agree.
That'll work.
Amazing. Okay, so full disclosure, that T is leaking. We're down to how many microns? 133. All right, 132. All right, you ready? Let's dump the charge. Let's fire this bad boy up.
Now this is popping along leak detector here,
LE
buddy.
Tech.
LE Tech.
Yeah,
look
they
at
used to
that.
sponsor my channel at one point. Combustible, I say the refrigerant leak detector. Very nice. You know, full disclosure, guys, I didn't see any nitrogen tank here do a pressure test. Just saying. Just saying. We'll have to catch that on the rebound.
There we go.
On the next one. Now, for a little added insurance policy, we have a surge protector right here. We have our nice disconnect. Juan is opening up the service valve caps so we could use an Allen key or a service wrench to open up those valves. And then we're all gonna like hold our breath, make sure we don't hear any Nice job with the 1/2-inch Liquid-Tight. We have the anchors into the block wall. There's our condensate drain going outside. Really, really nice, superb job Juan did here. Amazing. I don't know, guys. You know, if I had a branch here in Florida, I may have to steal them from you. Sorry, just keeping it real. Phenomenal work that this young man did here on this install. Phenomenal. We're being very, very quiet. We're hunting rabbit. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's battery time. All right, do the honors. Let's make that thing ice cold like Siberia.
Oh yeah.
In January. There you go. Siberia in January. 60 sounds about right.
Ooh.
Yeah. All right, it's a little bit of final touches here, folks. Some insulating foam tape around the exposed line set. Now, while it's outside right now, doesn't really matter, but it's what sets the professionals apart from the children.
That's right.
You know, you want to hire a professional, you're going to get a professional job. You want to hire a hack? Well, why pay twice? Pay once. So it's important that the copper refrigeration lines be insulated. We're keeping that temperature where it needs to be. But if this is inside, it's even more important because you'll have condensation forming on that line, which will then equal a water leak. You don't want to have that. Call a professional. Check out this whisper quiet ductless mini split system, folks. The thing right now is still set for 60. It's whisper quiet. We're condensing. That's all the humidity being extracted from this house. We got surge protection, line set cover, and now we have another satisfied client with an ACIQ system. So the only question that remains is, I got ACIQ.